Hey y'all, and welcome back to Glam Girl TV. Today I got Flo Gummies. I know it's like a vitamin gummy, but it's for PMS. And I gotta say, Instagram made me buy it. What a damn shame, Instagram. But it came in its own Flo bubble wrapper. I peeled off this so that you can't see my address, obviously. But this is going to be a reveal, opening, unboxing, unbagging, what have you. So let me start off by saying why I bought these. I have horrible periods. Until I ever got on birth control in my early 20s, my period sucks. Or sucked with an ED. By the way, this is what the bottle looks like. Just looks like a regular gummy vitamin bottle. By the way, I did get, okay, so there are 3 different options on when you purchase this. I feel like I'm way too close to the camera. All right, so you got, I have my notes so that I can be prepared. All right, so you have the 1 month supply. So I'm guessing like you get one of these and it's a one-time purchase so that you're not in a subscription or anything. And it is $29.99. So less than $1 a day. If you don't want to do this and you want to go the cheaper option, you can subscribe. And it's only going to save you about $5. So it's $24.99 to subscribe and you get these monthly. So what I did was, because it did say in the description to try it for at least 2 months to give it time. So this is really just an unbagging for you and for you to see what it looks like in person. And I'm going to taste it on camera. I'm going to try one and see if it really is tasty like they say it is. Okay, so what I bought was the 2 month. And as of right now, today, you can go on there and the 2 month supply is $49.98. It is on sale. It's regular $59.98. But with taxes, which I don't know how they can add taxes if there's no local area to buy this. But with taxes and shipping fees and everything, my order for 2 of these came out to $59 something, so $60. So I guess if you did it at the regular price of $59.98, you would probably be at $70 if it's $10 in taxes and fees and whatever else, other fees that it comes with. Okay, so I got the 2 month supply, the one-time payment of the 2 month supply so that I'm not in a subscription. I hate subscriptions, by the way. So it says on here that it's got 3 main ingredients. Chastity berry, Dong Quai, I might be completely saying that wrong, and vitamin B6. Let's see. So, let me tell you what it does alleviate. It alleviates bloating, cramps, hormonal acne, which at the age of 36, why am I still breaking out, right? It's got to be my hormones. And mood swings, which if these alleviate that, my husband will be thrilled. It is plant-based. It says it's vegan gummies, vegan-friendly, gluten-free, non-GMO, and made in the USA. So that's all wonderful. And let's see, it does have 3 grams of sugar, so it is not sugar-free. For all you people who are diabetics, this does have 3 grams of sugar in each one. The serving size is 2 gummies, though, so you're going to take 2 of these a day. And I'm guessing that's why there's 60 of these in there for 30 days worth. Doing math, right? Simple math. All right, what else does this say? It says that it's tasty, which I'm about to see in a second if it really is. Scientifically designed solution to PMS. And it's plant-based. I already said that. All right, so let's open it and try it and see what I think. So it looks like it has a perforated tab that is for easy opening. So that was easy enough. And I'm sure it's probably, yes, child lock on here. All right. So far, it smells like grape to me. So it looks like a little donut. If it only tasted like a donut, right? And here we go. Let's try one. I can say this, it doesn't taste like my other vitamin gummies that I have. It's definitely a lot, like it breaks down easier than a gummy. The flavor is not bad. I guess I'm just not, like if you're going to put jelly on a toast, a piece of toast, are you gravitating towards grape jelly or strawberry jelly? I am a strawberry jelly kind of girl. Not grape. I don't like grape jelly. So, being that these taste a little more on the grape flavor, and it's not like medicine-y type grape. I mean, it tastes like candy. So, the flavor is not bad. I guess I would just prefer like a strawberry flavor. Maybe they can come out with different flavors. So, there you have it. This is Flo, and these gummies are PMS relief gummies. I will probably be doing another video on these just to give you an update on how I feel like it has helped me. Not to be weird, but I am about to start my menstrual cycle in a few days now. So if this starts working right away, I'll know right away. If this is something that takes time to work, that's why I'll have to make the video in about a month or so. But a little background on why I bought these, because I started to tell you the story and then I kind of like veered off to tell you about the gummies. So my experience with my periods have been starting from early age. I started my period when I was 11 years old. I know that's kind of TMI, but these gummies are for PMS. So I got to talk to you about that. So at 11 years old, I started my period. I had the worst periods ever. Not only was I cramping so bad that I was in fetal position most of the time, I would throw up and have diarrhea at the same time, all the time. Can you imagine being an 11-year-old girl and being on the ground in the bathroom with your knees tucked, holding them, and you feel like you're dying? That's exactly what my periods felt like every month. And it pretty much lasted mainly the first day, but sometimes when they were really bad, it would last the 2 days. And then the rest of the days, it was just like cramping, but it was moderate. When I got pregnant for my son, I was 20 years old. I had him when I was 21. When I had him, they told me that I had a condition called endometriosis, which if you know what endometriosis is, if you have that, they say that it's super hard to even get pregnant with endometriosis. So that in itself is a miracle from God, obviously. But so I have endometriosis, and that causes to have really painful periods. If you have endometriosis, you know what it is. If you don't have it and you don't know what it is, it's basically when the lining sheds from your uterus, you have, it's kind of hard to explain, but it's like the lining or the scar tissue that's there is really thick, and it causes a lot of pain. And so the only way to help that is to get a laparoscopy, which I've had. I got that when I was 24. And they go in through your belly button and they zap away all of the tissue there that's causing you to have that pain. When they went in there to do that when I was 24, I actually didn't even have enough to justify my doctor even saying that I had endometriosis, but I have endometriosis. So, long story short, to this day, the only reason why I have less, and I'm not going to say it's so much less, but it is less. It's more manageable now of a period, is because I'm on birth control. And I have had my fair share of trying different birth controls. Most birth controls, when I first started out, when I was 19, I started on birth control. It gave me headaches, migraines to the point where I couldn't take the pills. And then I got off of them. I got married when I was 20. And then when I was 20, I got on a birth control pill. And finally, it did not make me have headaches. But then I got pregnant right after I got married. So long story short, honeymoon baby. And then I had to get off the pills when I got pregnant. So then I didn't get back on the pills until after I had my son. And then once I got back on the pill from there, I did find that from then on until today, which I'm 36 today, I've had moderate periods due to birth control. I guess the hormones that the birth control gives off helps my body regulate, I guess, the cramps and whatever else comes with it. I will say I do still have bloating with even taking the birth control pills, and taking birth control pills will make you gain weight. It's just a known fact. So anyway, if you're looking to buy these because you want to see if they work or not, you can check me back in about a month or so. I'll let you know how I like them, what they've done for me. Now, the hormonal acne, that might happen right away. I'm not sure. The taste is okay. It's definitely not a flavor that I prefer, but it's definitely not bad. It does taste like candy. The gummies actually do dissolve way better than a regular gummy, a gummy chew, or a vitamin. That any of the ones I've ever had, this breaks down way better if you're worried about that. So the only thing I could say is maybe it's a lot of money at one time if you're getting a 2-month supply. You might want to try off getting the 1-month supply first and seeing how you like them. I don't know, but this is what I wanted to try. This is what I'm doing first. So I'll definitely make another video, an update on what I think about it, and give you my 2-month update. So catch me back in about 2 months, month and a half, 2 months, and I'll let you know. Instagram made me buy it. So here it is. Thanks for watching, and I hope that I helped you with this. Bye.